What's going on, YouTube, or social media world, I should say, coming from my garage to you. I'm so cheesy and so smiley right now because I was just thinking I'm at 95 subscribers as the recording of this video, and I didn't ask people to subscribe. At least I don't remember or recall. At least I don't try to. I just feel like organically people would subscribe, and it feels good to almost be at 100. And I started at 0, which brings me, or which segue me, I'm segueing into the purpose of this video. You have 0 Bitcoin. You don't have any, right? Or people who you're gonna talk to don't have any. And I feel like I'm talking to 2 to 3 types of people. You either a Bitcoiner, which you already invested in Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin, and you're all in. And then you have the people who are like kind of halfway, right? And you invested in it, but if the number goes up high enough, you're gonna sell. And the same thing for the people who don't have any at all. Either you think it's a scam, you think it's a scam, you don't know anything about Bitcoin, and you're just like, okay, what is Bitcoin? Why do I need Bitcoin? Well, I started off Bitcoin 2020 at 0. I bought some before that, but it was a quick sale. I didn't really believe in it. I was just now getting into investing. I just learned about stocks. So when people are talking about Bitcoin, most of the time, when Bitcoiners are talking to people about Bitcoin, sometimes it's their first time investing, period. And they're starting at 0. Maybe their finances aren't the best. The thing is, we all start at 0. Like, I'm almost at 100 subscribers, and I started at 0. I had to believe in myself. I had to make the effort. So if you want to learn about Bitcoin, for the people who don't know anything about Bitcoin, you have to make the effort and say, okay, let me watch a couple videos to see what this talk of, like too many people are talking about it for it to mean nothing, right? And for the Bitcoiners who don't have any conviction, who are all in, it's now your job to spread the word, educate, teach people about Bitcoin. Yes, it might feel hard sometimes to break down, why you should invest in Bitcoin, because especially you're speaking to somebody who don't know anything about investing, let alone Bitcoin, this digital currency, this digital thing. Like, where can I spend it at? Where can I buy it at? Where can I store it at? Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? What are Satoshis? What is a seed phrase? What is a Bitcoin wallet? A cold wallet and a hot wallet? And if you've never heard of any of these terms before, then you're still new to the space. And if you've heard of some of these terms before, then you still, you still have more to learn. We all have more to learn about Bitcoin. We are trying to escape the lies of the paper money that has been printed. We are trying to establish a new type of world. And it can't be done by one person. We can't expect Michael Saylor or social media influence, even myself. I can't save the world, but I am doing my due diligence by creating content, mostly about Bitcoin. I mean, I work out, as you can see. I have, kind of a big guy. I'm in my winter arc right now, so I have my hair growing out. More about that later. But it's my job. It's my job to spread this knowledge that I have and educate. Once again, there are tons of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin pages that talk about price, and they're needed. Those people are necessary. Those people are necessary for the people who are into the charts, which I am too. I look at charts every day. But my thing is, I want to push out a different content, and I want to push out the content that's going to bring people into the space and makes them feel good. You know what? I probably should just start watching other videos. I probably should take a deeper dive into Bitcoin. I probably should take my time and be patient as a Bitcoiner to actually teach people about Bitcoin, to actually educate people about Bitcoin. Don't just hear, oh, the price is going to go to 100,000. Maybe by the recording this video, it might be 100,000. Or the price is going to go up. Sure. But the price is also going to go down. So you have to teach them how to hold. As someone who's new to investing, someone who is new to the crypto space, you have to learn certain investment tips on top of learning Bitcoin. It's a lot, but take the time. If you put the time in, when you starting at zero and you believe in yourself, you will go higher. It doesn't say you might be at 95 subscribers. Well, that's the end of this video. I have more content to make. I have a challenge that I'm going to do, and that will be in the next video. But until then, peace.